using completing the square, right? Let's start by factoring out the 4 here. Okay, and if I do that, I get this, right? Whoops, keep the 1 on the outside. Then the number in front of x is 1. If I divide it by 2 and square it, I get 1 over 4. So we're going to add and subtract that number inside the bracket. Okay, if we do that, I can factor this, so it's x plus 1 over 4 squared, right? Sorry, this should be 1 over, whoops, 1 over 2 squared. There we go. So we have that, right? And we know that if I take this out of the brackets, I have to multiply with this 4. So I get minus 1 plus 1. So it's 0. So we end up getting this. So graphing this, right, it's going to be a parabola with a vertex at minus 1/2. Okay, because there's no k value. And this is positive, so it goes up like this. So when is this equal to 0? Right? There's only one point, and it's going to be the vertex. So x has to be minus 1/2.